Are both of them black German Shepherds?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What are the odds of that? I come up here all the time. First time I've seen two of them at the same time.
We arranged it. Yeah, what's his name?
Bodhi.
Bodhi?
Yes, Bodhi.
I remember him. I just couldn't remember his name.
Oh, okay.
Tracy.
What was your dog's name?
Nova.
Nova.
Yes.
Wow. How'd you come up with that name?
Looked it up.
Looked it up.
Yeah.
Female or female, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, she's a girl.
How old is she?
a year and 6 months.
Oh, a year and 6 months. I can't help but notice that she shaved. Did she had surgery?
She had surgery. Bodhi's trying to get over there.
Hey, Bodhi, come now. Come on, boy. Come on.
Yeah, she had surgery.
Did she eat something she wasn't supposed to?
No, she had oxygen outside of her lungs.
Oh,
So
no.
random. Yeah, they said they usually see that in. Come here, Tracy.
But she looks like she's well on her way to recovery.
Yeah, this time they did it right. It's just so
Nova.
the foxtail caused her lung to collapse.
Oh, wow.
So they took out the air, but the infection was still there.
Oh, okay.
And
Wow.
took her a couple
You said a foxtail?
foxtail the grass.
Really?
Yeah.
So
She's kind of like it went. I think like it went through her nose, and it just very like thought it, those things that go in and they don't come out. They just keep.
wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. I had no idea that could happen. I'm glad she's doing okay. How many months has it been since the surgery?
Actually, it's only been like a month since the surgery. Maybe 3 weeks.
Oh, wow. So she's on a speedy recovery then.
Yeah, she's good.
Come here, Noah.
What do you think? Maybe like another 2 months before all the hair grows back?
Oh yeah.
First time at work? Huh? His first time at the park?
Yeah.
Bodhi, come! Bodhi! Bodhi, this way now! Come on! Bodhi, come! This way! Bodhi, this way now! Come on! No! No! Come on! Now! Bodhi, come! Now! 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 Okay, so that was a difficult recall. That's only vocal, and you could see that the dogs were really engaged and wild, so yeah, that was a difficult recall. Bodhi, sit now. Sit. Sit. No. Sit. So he's a bit wound up right now. I'm just going to let him calm down for a few minutes. Still a lot of action going on over there. Yeah, I'll let him go back into that action. Just I don't want it to be out of control. Oh, German Shepherd just sought him out. Yeah, so hey, no! This one is really full of energy. Bodhi, come this way now! Now! No! Leave it! Come on! Come on! Hey, come here, now! Come on, Bodhi, up! Up. Up. Bodhi, come on. Up. Hey, Bodhi, sit. No, sit. Bodhi, come here. Up. Bodhi, sit. Sit. So I had to call him back off because he was grabbing that dog by the throat, grabbing its leg, all of that. I'm not saying that he's giving the dog a lot of pressure, but that's just something that I don't want him doing. And some owners, they don't like it either. So plus it's like a dominance type thing. So just giving them a little time out right now. All right, Bodhi, go. No. 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 Bodhi, come this way. This way. Come on. No, this way. This way. Bodhi, come. Bodhi, come. This way. No. No. Come on. This way. Bodhi, come. Now. Now. Bodhi, come. Bodhi, come. Now. All right, so that's going to wrap today's video. I hope everyone out there enjoyed the action. Thanks again for tuning in to Bodhi's World. Bodhi, sit! Bodhi, sit! No. Stay. Hey. Okay, too many orders too fast. But anyhow, everyone, thank you for watching. If you can, give the thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Also, leave a comment below. And a very special thank you to everyone who watches the ads. They help Bodhi. We appreciate it so much. So everyone out there,